So in this section, I'm going to teach you the two basic tuple methods that you can apply to tuples. So it says Python has two inbuilt methods that you can use on tuples to basically, perform a bit of not really manipulation because you aren't really changing any values. So we have two methods. The first one is count. Now the count basically helps us to return the number of times a specified value occurs in a tuple. So what I will just do is I will create a new file and call it tuple method. So tuple underscore methods dot py. Now what we're just going to do is we're going to create a new tuple that is going to store a list of that is going to store a bunch of names. I'm going to say like Solomon, and then I'm going to say Daniel, and I'm going to say James. Now, let's say I wanted to count the number of times that Solomon occurs in this tuple. So what I can just do is let me just add one more Solomon. Now, let's say I wanted to count the number of times that this string Solomon occurs in this tuple. What I can do is I will just print out name dot count. And in here, I'm just going to pass in the string that I'm trying to count. So I'm going to say Solomon. So what Python is going to do is it's going to take this value and count the number of times that it occurs in this tuple. So once I save this and run this program, you see that we get 2 because Solomon occurs 2 times in this list. Now note that if I change this S from an uppercase S to a lowercase s, I want you to see what we get. So once I run it, you see we only get 1. That is because it looks for the exact occurrence of this specific value in your tuple. So because we have only one Solomon that starts with an uppercase, that is why it returned 1. So that is exactly what count does. It just takes in a value and looks for the number of times that value occurs in the tuple. Now we also have this count method for the list, and it functions the exact same way. Now the next one is the index. So we had talked about this when we were talking about list methods. So the index method just basically searches the tuple for a specified value and returns the position of where it was first found. Now note that we have, let me just change it from an lowercase to an uppercase s. Now that we have 2 Solomons, or we have 2 occurrences of Solomon in this tuple, what I will just do is I'm going to say name.index. Because let's just say, for example, I'm trying to find the index of where Solomon exists in this tuple. What I will just do is I will save it and run the program. And now you can see we have 0. So even though Solomon exists at this point also, what Python just did was it returned the first occurrence of that specific element. Because it found that Solomon existed here first, it just immediately grabbed the index and ended the program and then printed it out. So that is exactly how the index position and the index tuple method works in Python.